Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Look at this 2016 Camry XSE. Look how gorgeous interior it has. It has a Alcantara suit, I don't know how you call it, red stitching, and this super delicious on-touch leather. Incredible. My previous customer finally got rid of his aging Subaru, got rid of it and treated himself with a Camry XSE. Absolutely gorgeous. I just drove it. It's here for the inspection and we will see what it needs. It drives like a dream. I love it. I have some bad news about shopping at Harbor Freight. Let me show you. So I always bought in the past, and I was extremely happy with a 9mm nitrile gloves from Harbor Freight. I would recommend it to anybody. I use XL, I fit in that perfectly. I was super happy. They are not cheap. They cost like 14 bucks. 9mm, that's the thickest. If you buy 7mm, they are in the blue color, I think. It's the one down, they are like 2 bucks cheaper. But I tried them in the past and they were too thin, they break really quickly. These ones are super thick and I absolutely dig it. The value and the price ratio, I will say it's the best. Well, something bad is happening with Harbor Freight, and because it's color related, I'm afraid this is intentional and not a mistake. The moment I open it, this is my second pair. It happened last week. Didn't have a time to film for you because I was slammed here, freaking out with too many jobs. But I bought this, I opened the box, I put it on my hand, and I immediately realized this is not a 9mm. This is either 7 or 5, but it has a black color, and they change. They are showing, right, they use very smartly. I love that system. They have different colors for different thickness. So this is a ripoff. This is absolutely thin, like a thinnest gloves you will buy in Costco or somewhere. I pulled more of them just to make sure it was not just 2 of them on the top. This is absolutely a joke. And it still costs the max. For some reason I had still these last 2 gloves. I was really pushing it and waiting forever. So I have the old ones, which I just finished that box, and obviously I don't know how to show it to you. You see this is ripped already. But this one is still good. These are thick. It's a really thick material. You can feel it when you grab it like that. You can see it's completely different, and I love these because they really last longer. The new ones, they really break. I'm not sure even if it's 7. If you grab it, and we work with them every day, all the time, so trust me, I know what I'm talking about. You just feel it. It's nothing. They break immediately. Look at it. I wore this once. Normally I keep changing them and go take it off. And I keep using them. This is the second pair. Both of them broke basically immediately. It's a trash. I don't know what's happening. I don't know how shall I reach their customer service. but somebody needs to do something with it, because this is most expensive glove they sell, and it's not a 9mm. This is either 7 or 5. I cannot tell you how they measure it or whatever it's going on. Said it to my wife. She said, well, everybody's cutting corners. Well, I don't think so. I hope they made some mistake and it's some lot, bad lot. This says right here, lot number A2305007. I don't know if I can send them this video, the link to the customer service, and they can investigate, but this is not acceptable. This is trash, and it costs way more than the thin ones. These were the right gloves. I will always, all day long, recommend to you. It's just not with those new thin ones. Other than that, this was the best glove I ever found before on the market. They lasted forever. I kept reusing them, using them, and then there will be a hole in them. So this is just something I need to share with you, and I will try. Just too busy. There's too many cars waiting for me again this week. I will try to send it to Harbor Freight customer service, and we'll see what they say. If you know, if you experience that, please share it in the comments underneath the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. I really need to run.